Okay, Year 11, here's a bit of help with your homework. In 1107 question 5, we've got a person buying 40,000 shares at 75 cents each. So that is also on top of that, there's a brokerage charge, 2.5% for the first 15,000 and 0.75% for any amount after that. So the cost of the shares is 40,000 times 0.75, which is $30,000. Now her brokerage charges are 2.5% for the first 15,000, and then there's a 0.75% for the next 15,000 because it was 30,000 worth of shares. So that gives us $487.50 at total cost then. The original 30,000 plus the brokerage of $487.50, so that's $30,487.50. So that's part A, figuring out her total cost. Now in part B it says that the dividend yield is 4.8%, and then all her shares are sold for $1.09 each, and we have to calculate her total earnings after the costs are taken out. So if the dividend yield is 4.8%, that's kind of like earning interest when you're at the bank, right? It's for your shares, we call it a dividend. And the 4.8% of 30,000 was 1,440. So that's your dividend. And then your sell price, well, $1.09 for each one of those 40,000 shares. So that's 43,600. The brokerage fees, 2.5% on the first 15,000, and then 0.75% on anything more than 15,000. So the bit that's more than 15,000 is what I've got here in this bracket. That's how much more than 15,000 that we have to work out at this 0.75% rate. And when you put those two percentages together, you get $589.50. Just check and see if you can get that. So now your earnings, you've got your $43,600, that's your sale price, plus your dividend, because it's like earning interest, of $1,440. Then you've got the cost of the brokerage, which is $589.50, and then the cost originally that you paid for those shares, which includes the brokerage at that time as well. So you got to minus off the $30,487.50. So all those bits are there. See that $30,487.50, and I've kind of highlighted in aqua. We worked that out in part A. Put all that together, $13,963. Hope that helps.